You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you got it. Alright.
I'm a big boy.
Alright, let me see that.
There you go. Alright, turn them on. Please. Please, pretty please. Got them on? Oh yeah, there, yep. And then, yep. Alright.
Okay, one of these lights are out. One is out.
Alright, that one's working. There's a working. That one's out. This one.
So I turned it on. Yep, that's it.
It pops off. You push in. Push this in right here. Push that in, you pull it off. See, that one's pulled off. This one's working. And it looks like a HID, H-I-D. Looks like a big bulb, but it's not a big bulb, it's just a little tiny bulb. So. $90.12. Alright. Alright, we got the excavators and the damn. Oh yeah, man. That's cool. Alright, so I always gotta get my teeth in the video. Those are some big machines I had to record. Supposed to be getting picked up here. This headlamp is a 9012 HIR2LL 9012 LL dot 12 volt SSWE1 2R9U from Poland. It goes on a Toyota CHR 2019 and it costs $23. $32 at a different store, and I believe $10 online, but I didn't want to wait a week because my girlfriend's car, she doesn't want to drive with one headlight, and I don't blame her. So this is the light bulb, the headlamp. It goes to the front driver's side door. I mean, not door, driver's side lamp, and it's pretty simple to change. Simple is irrelevant. Is relevant. I just drank a little chocolate milk, it's like a yoo-hoo, and it kind of makes my tongue swell up. So my teeth, my new teeth, I gotta brush them. Yeah, these are my teeth. Yeah, I gotta brush them. I had some chicken fingers. Not chicken fingers. Chicken fries. I got teeth now. My teeth. These are my teeth, and they are mine. Expensive.